Lakshman here. This video is about adding new page to your Jekyll site. So this is the site that we have generated in our previous video. So if you have not watched my previous video also, no worries. So this is how it looks like when you generate a new Jekyll site, and like you made costume changes, like few changes. I have made few changes. So this about is a page. So I'll show you in this video how you can add a new page easily, like this about. Okay, so I have already started the server, and I have already opened the project in my Sublime text editor. So if you are wondering how to do this, then please check my previous video. I have explained there. Okay, the server is still running, and then we have opened this project in text editor. Okay, so this is the code of, let's say, code of the about page. So every page should end with .md extension .markdown. If you don't know what md means, just leave it. So this is called front matter, and this is the content that would be shown in the page. So to create a new page, what we do is this is our root file, a directory, let's folder or directory, let's say. So and we go here and create new file. So remember, it should be at the same place where other this pages are residing. So basically what you do is there are other folders, just ignore them, just click on the top folder and click on new file. So you need to write the front matter here inside these three inside here. So what I prefer to do is I just copy one from the previous page and then I paste it here, and then I'm okay. Let's say layout is page, because we are creating a page. Just create the layout as page. Let's keep the title of the page as contact. This is just an example, and this permalink means the link of the page. We are telling where the page is located. Okay, contact. So you can write the content. The content that is going to be displayed is just below this line. Okay, you can just keep it. Okay, contact me. It. Okay, so if you save it, wait, I'll add some more. Okay, so while saving, you can give it any name, like okay, I'll say contact.md. remember, you should just give md extension. There are other options also, but for now just remember this means for markdown. Okay, just save it, and it should be here at the same place where about.md is there. So here is contact.md. now let's go to our server, and if you see here, you see here contact. So this is the best part of Jekyll I like about. So when you create any page, it would get automatically added. We don't need to add it manually to the navbar or anywhere. So okay, so the contact page is here. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so let me so if I so this is a syntax highlighting, and the best part of markdown is you can make it bold with this, save it. Okay, let's say call me it 00001. so you can make it like this too. So this is markdown. Okay, I think this is produce an error. Okay, so what you need to do is keep a space here after the hashes. Let's refresh it. Okay, just leave it. I'll write more about the markdown later. So this is how you basically add the page to any section. So let's just add any new page, new file. Control save is blog.md. So then what I do is just copy this, paste here, blog, then you can write here post. This is just an example I showed you just for the examples that you see here. The blog page is here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching. In next video I'll show you how you can add posts to your Jekyll site. If you have any confusions, don't forget to comment down. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.